Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to send a secure email. Sending secure emails is crucial for maintaining patient confidentiality because it protects sensitive medical information from unauthorized access. When you use encryption, the contents of the email are converted into a coded format that can only be read by the intended recipient, ensuring that personal health information remains private and secure. Additionally, using secure emails helps you comply with data protection laws, such as the GDPR and the POPI Act, which require strict measures to safeguard personal information. Therefore, secure email practices are essential for protecting patient data, maintaining legal compliance, and fostering trust in your communication channels. In this tutorial video, we will start on the email workflow event screen. You can access the email workflow event screen from multiple areas of the system wherever you see the email button. In this screen, we will start by clicking the yellow unlock button to secure the email. Once clicked, the button will turn green, indicating that the email is now encrypted and secure. Next, we'll set the validity period. This field determines how many days the recipient will have access to the secure email. Enter the number of days here. If left blank, the recipient will have indefinite access to the email using the secure PIN. Now let's choose how the recipient will receive their secure PIN. Click on the Secure PIN Options drop-down menu. You'll have the option to email, SMS, or generate a pre-shared PIN. Let's start with the email option. This option will email the patient a link where the patient can request a one-time PIN. Or you can select SMS to send a PIN directly to the recipient's mobile phone. If you select SMS, enter the recipient's mobile number in the mobile number field, or choose a saved mobile number from the list in the drop-down menu. Remember, the SMS option links one mobile number to one email address. This ensures only the intended recipient gets the PIN securely. You will not be able to send this email to multiple recipients. Alternatively, you can select the pre-shared PIN option if the recipient already has a PIN. The system will automatically generate a 6-digit PIN that you can change as you wish. Once you've configured the PIN options, click Send to send the secure email to the recipient. After the secure email is sent, the recipient will receive a link to access the email. For instructions on how the recipient can access and read the secure email, please refer to the How to Read a Secure Email user manual linked in this video's description. And for more information on sending regular emails, please refer to the Send an Email user manual linked in this video's description.